Ecosystem health, a concept that uses a systematic approach to the preventative, diagnostic, and prognostic aspects of ecosystem management and to the understanding of relationships between ecosystem health and human health. It seeks to understand and optimize the intrinsic capacity of an ecosystem for self-renewal while meeting reasonable human goals. It encompasses the role of societal values, attitudes, and goals in shaping our conception of health at human and ecosystem scales. University of Western Ontario's Ecosystem Health Group. Ecosystem services, the goods, tangible resources, and services, functions, provided by an ecosystem. Ecosystem services, the goods, tangible resources, and services, functions, provided by an ecosystem. Ecosystems, groups and communities of organisms, animals, plants, insects, and microorganisms that form one functioning unit. It also includes all of the non-living physical and chemical factors of the environment that maintain its existence, linked together through nutrient cycling and energy flow. Ecotone, an area of transition or overlap between two habitat types. Effluent, an outflow of liquid waste released from a facility such as a sewage treatment plant or industrial operation. Endangered, facing a very high risk of extinction in the wild. Endemic, occurring naturally in only one specific area. Environmental education and awareness, EE&A, a process designed to increase public awareness and understanding of the community of interest and the common ecospace that the Nile River creates. Environmental effects, monitoring, the repetitive and systematic measurement of environmental components to test specific hypotheses regarding the effects of human activity on the environment. Environmental impact assessment, a procedure that examines the possible environmental consequences of implementing a project, program, or policy. Environmental management, the management of human interaction with and impact on the natural environment. Environmental management is concerned with the links between the natural world and human social, cultural, and economic systems. Environmental management plan, a plan outlining the means of achieving environmental objectives and goals. Environmental mitigation compliance monitoring, monitoring conducted to determine whether specified environmental mitigation measures are being implemented properly and are having the intended effect. Environmental monitoring, the collection of systematic, geo-referenced observations of the environment to detect changes over time and space. Equatorial Lakes Plateau, an elevated plateau bounded by two branches of the Rift Valley. Equity. The equity dimension of governance seeks to ensure that development is inclusive, that all people benefit from well-functioning political and economic institutions and political, economic, and social processes. Erosion. The wearing away, detachment, and movement of surface materials by forces of wind, water, or ice. Eutrophication. The accumulation of nutrients in a water body that results in excessive growth of organisms and depletion of oxygen. Evaporation. The conversion of a liquid substance to a gaseous state. Evapotranspiration. The loss of water to the atmosphere via the combined effects of evaporation and transpiration. Factors influencing agriculture. Factors influencing agriculture. Introduction. Apart from human and biotic factors, climate is another factor influencing agriculture. Climate refers to the weather conditions of a place when observed for a longer time, 35, 40 years. Climatic factors include rainfall, temperature, wind, light. Hi guys, if this is the first time you've come to my channel, please go down the bottom, hit that subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video similar to this. Keep watching.